Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn persona. So why would you do that? First, if you are posting or doing outreach on LinkedIn, you know that you have limits. You can't post more than twice a day, you can't outreach more than 50 people per day. And so at one point, you're just like, do I need another channel or can I scale LinkedIn? And so today I'm going to show you how to scale it. So I'm going to show you an account that I use. I'm going to show you how you can set it up right and what measures you can take to avoid getting banned. So let's go to my persona account. So this is my second account called Mary Robert. And so with this account, what's really interesting is that I can, of course, post. So I have my own account posting and I have this one and I get some likes, I get some comments, and I get some leads. And I can, of course, send messages like here. So people ask if I can send them some resources, and I do. So how do you set up this account to avoid getting banned? So you have many choices, and I'm going to give you the best choices you can use, and then the worst. So you might know that LinkedIn hates automation. They hate when it's not a real person. So what can you do? Well, I'm going to tell you the options. So of course you already have your own LinkedIn account. You have your account and it's working really well. And now you want another one. So first option is to have a real person create an account. So you can probably have the account of your father, of your mother, of your sister, of your brother, whatever. You need someone who's real. Why? Because when you have someone who is real, what you can do on LinkedIn is you can ask them to here verify. So when you click on add verification badge, you can just scan this and send your passport, and then the account is verified. And when an account is verified, well, it almost never gets blocked. So that's the first option you can have, is asking someone from your family to create an account, verify it, and then they give you the account. When they give you the account, you should never run it in the same browser. That's why I'm using a sub Chrome browser to run this account. It's even better if you use, for example, Firefox, or if you use Opera or Safari, and then you use Chrome for your main account. So that's really something you have to understand. So that's the best option. Then you can rent accounts. So you can go to websites like Mirror Profile and rent account. The downside is that it's really expensive. It's going to cost you probably something like $100 or euros per month. So that's something I'm trying to avoid. Third option, what you can do and what I did here. So the third option is creating an account from scratch. So you have no one to ask for an account, and you create your account for some. So how do you do this? You create a Gmail address. Okay, so you go to a separate browser, you create a Gmail address. Then you create your own LinkedIn account. If you can confirm it with a 2FA and a mobile phone, that's even better. Once you've done that, you have to be really careful. LinkedIn almost always know you are a fake person. So what you're going to do is you're going to set up your account. You will put a banner, you will put an image, put an AI image, you put a name, whatever name you like. Then you can put some work experience. Then you can put some education experience as well. That's up to you. You can, if you want to lie, you can lie. If you want to create something real, you can create something real. That's you and your conscience. Then what you are going to do is you don't add anyone, okay? You don't post anything, and for 2 weeks straight, you log in into your account and you just do this. You just like some post, comment some post, and get people to add you. You need, if you want your account to be safe, people to add you, and don't add people. So once you've done that on a regular basis, then after 2 weeks, you can start adding some people. You add some people, you start posting on LinkedIn. And day after day, you post more, you add more, and your account becomes almost unbreakable. So that's what is happening here with this account. I've had this account for the past 6 months, and now I'm almost never blocked. So I've never been blocked on this account. So then what you have to do is add a banner, add a picture. You, of course, add a website. You can add in the description, I'm an AI. That's up to you. You can create here a job that says AI Growth Manager or AI SDR if you want to be fully transparent. That, again, that's up to you. The main thing is don't lie to people when they DM you. Don't tell them you are a real person. If people ask you if you are real, you respond, I'm an AI. So that's the best thing you can do. And then your profile will rank everywhere. You'll get people here asking to connect, so you can accept. You'll get people liking your post, commenting your post, and then you can scale LinkedIn. You don't need to have one LinkedIn account with a limited amount of posts, limited amount of connections. You can scale it horizontally. And then I'm going to add a third one, a fourth one, and so on. So I'm looking right now at solutions to add other accounts. So you understood it right. Either you have a real person open an account for you, verify it, or you can rent one, or best option, create it from scratch with a new Gmail address, and then warm it very slowly. The worst thing you can do is try to buy pre-warmed accounts. There are lots of marketplaces where you can do that. It always ends up bad. You always get blocked. Always. And when LinkedIn blocks you, they ask you for an ID. Of course, you don't have the ID, so you're screwed. So my best advice here is never try to buy an account. You can rent them if you want, but don't buy them. Okay, so that's it. Now you know how and why you need an account persona. If you need to set up the AI picture, so if you need an AI person, what I would do is go to ChatGPT, go to Grok, go to Claude, and just ask for an AI portrait. That works really well, as you can see here. It's worked perfectly fine. It looks like a real person. And yeah, that's something you can do. Thank you so much for watching at this video. One last thing, if you want to automate LinkedIn, if you want to find high intent leads and get results doing outreach, you can use our tool gojiberry.ai. So it finds the best high intent leads for you. It helps you run LinkedIn campaigns directly from Gojiberry. And so you always get the warmest leads, and so you always get the best reply rates and responses. So here, as you can see, I've created a campaign, and the results I get, it's 49% acceptance rate, 46% reply rate, which is insane. Thank you so much for watching at this video. You can just have a free trial of Gojiberry below, and see you soon for another video. Bye.